How to fix screen flickering on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Android phone screen is flickering, flashing, or shaking, it can really be annoying. This problem usually caused by software issues, app conflicts, or display settings. But sometimes hardware is also the culprit. Here's how you can fix it step by step. First thing you can do is restart your phone. Long press on the power button and find the restart option. Just tap on it to restart your phone. A simple reboot often fixes temporary glitches caused by the screen flickering. You can also try to adjust your display settings. For that, go to settings and then find your display settings. Tap on display. Then you can disable your adaptive brightness and set your brightness automatically. Tap on the toggle to disable and just automatically save your brightness. Once that is done, you can also turn off blue light filter or night mode. For that, you can just scroll down and find the eye comfort shield. Make sure that you turn this off. And then finally, on the Samsung screen, you need to go ahead and find the advanced features. Once you tap on advanced features, go ahead and find the option called reduce motion. You can also try to reset your general settings. For that, scroll down and find Google account and services. Go to account and backups. Tap on reset down below. So let me just quickly go here, tap on it. So from there, you want to find general management to clear your general settings. Tap on reset down below. Now select your specific number and you should be good to go. Tap on reset settings. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.